Every day, this massive factory churns out enough milk to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. But have you ever wondered how it's actually made? Inside these walls, raw, unpasteurized milk is rapidly transformed by powerful, high-speed machines into the fresh, creamy product you see in grocery stores worldwide. But what secret ingredients give milk its rich and perfect taste? Stick around as we uncover the hidden journey behind every single drop. Let's dive into the incredible journey of milk, from farm to factory to your glass. Every day, millions of liters of fresh milk travel from dairy farms to massive processing plants across the globe. Some of the world's largest milk producers, like India, the United States, China, and Brazil, play a crucial role in this process. But milk's transformation doesn't begin in a high-tech factory. It starts in the vast open farmlands, where dairy cows produce the raw ingredient that fuels this billion-dollar industry. And the process? It's far more complex than most people realize. The journey of milk begins on dairy farms, where cows are milked using state-of-the-art automatic milking machines. Gone are the days of traditional hand milking. Today, advanced robotic systems efficiently milk each cow multiple times a day with minimal human intervention. These machines use gentle suction to extract the fresh liquid, which is then rapidly cooled to lock in its quality and freshness. From here, the milk is loaded into insulated tanker trucks and rushed to processing facilities. This transportation stage is crucial. Milk is highly perishable and must be kept at low temperatures to prevent bacterial growth. A single delay could mean the difference between fresh, high-quality milk and spoiled waste. Once the tankers arrive at the factory, the milk undergoes rigorous quality testing. Samples are carefully analyzed to ensure the raw milk is free from contaminants, antibiotics, or any impurities that could compromise its safety. If a batch fails to meet strict regulatory standards, it's discarded immediately. For the milk that passes inspection, the transformation begins. The first major step, separation and standardization. Powerful centrifugal machines spin at incredibly high speeds, separating the rich cream from the liquid. This crucial process allows manufacturers to create different milk varieties, ranging from full-fat whole milk to low-fat and skimmed options, tailored to consumer preferences. And this is just the beginning of milk's high-tech journey. Pasteurization is one of the most vital steps in modern milk production, a revolutionary technique introduced in the 19th century by Louis Pasteur. In this process, milk is heated to a precise 72 degrees Celsius, 162 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 seconds before being rapidly cooled. This effectively eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's fresh taste and nutritional goodness. Before pasteurization, foodborne illnesses from dairy products were alarmingly common. Today, thanks to this essential process, the milk in your fridge is not only safe to drink, but also as fresh and delicious as nature intended. After pasteurization, the milk undergoes homogenization, a crucial process that ensures a smooth, creamy texture by preventing the natural separation of cream. Using high-pressure pumps, the liquid is forced through ultra-fine nozzles, breaking down fat globules into tiny, uniform particles. The result? A perfectly consistent texture in every sip, so you never have to shake your bottle before drinking. Once homogenized, the milk is rapidly cooled and stored in massive stainless steel tanks until it's ready for the final step, bottling and packaging. From here, it's loaded into cartons and bottles, prepared for distribution to retailers around the world. Soon, it will be on store shelves and in your fridge. The level of automation in modern milk production is truly mind-blowing. Today's advanced processing plants rely on cutting-edge robotic systems to handle everything from bottling to quality control with incredible precision. Machines fill and seal thousands of bottles per hour, while computerized vision systems scan for packaging defects, ensuring only perfectly sealed, high-quality products make it to store shelves. This high-speed efficiency minimizes the need for manual labor, though skilled workers are still essential to oversee operations and troubleshoot any issues. Despite these advancements, the industry faces ongoing challenges. from fluctuating raw material costs and supply chain disruptions to maintaining the delicate balance between soaring demand and sustainable farming practices. The journey of milk may be more high-tech than ever, but the commitment to quality and sustainability remains at its core. Dairy farming has been a cornerstone of human civilization for thousands of years. Evidence suggests that milk consumption dates back over 8,000 years to ancient societies in Mesopotamia and Anatolia. But while early farmers relied on hand milking and simple cooling techniques, like storing milk in cold streams or underground cellars, the industry has undergone a remarkable transformation. Today, dairy farming is a multi-billion-dollar global enterprise, powered by cutting-edge technology that ensures efficiency, safety, and quality. From robotic milking systems to high-speed processing plants, milk production has evolved beyond imagination, bringing this ancient tradition into the modern age. The economic impact of the dairy industry is massive, with some of the world's largest companies processing millions of liters of milk every single day. However, the cost of production varies widely based on factors like feed prices, energy costs, and transportation logistics. In some regions, government subsidies help stabilize the market, ensuring farmers receive fair prices despite unpredictable fluctuations. But the industry is evolving. Milk remains a staple beverage worldwide, with countries like Finland, the Netherlands, and Ireland leading in per capita consumption. But over the years, consumer preferences have evolved, driving innovation in the dairy industry. Sustainability is one of the biggest challenges facing the modern dairy industry. Milk production requires vast amounts of land, water, and feed, raising concerns about its environmental impact. To address this, farms are adopting innovative solutions to reduce their carbon footprint. Some are implementing methane capture technology, while others are optimizing feed efficiency to lower emissions. Beyond the environment, animal welfare has also become a growing priority. With increasing consumer awareness, the industry is embracing greater transparency and stricter regulations to ensure ethical and humane farming practices. As the demand for dairy continues, the future of milk production depends on sustainability, innovation, and responsible farming. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of milk production. From dairy farms to high-tech processing plants, it's amazing to see the precision and care that go into delivering that fresh bottle of milk straight to your fridge. If you enjoyed this deep dive, why stop here? Explore more behind-the-scenes secrets of food production in our next video. You won't believe what goes into making your favorite foods. And if you love behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday foods are made, subscribe so you never miss out. We've got plenty more factory processes to uncover. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to dairy product? Or is there a food-making process you'd love us to explore next? We're always on the lookout for the next big factory breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.